Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make colorful and tasty postbiotic citrus salad using 4 kinds of citrus. If you are located in North America, it's getting darker and colder every day. And it's officially flu season. So let's watch our diet to prevent getting sick. Our diet is very important to keep our mind and body healthy and happy. Now I'm going to show you how to make this postbiotic citrus salad. You can use any kind of citrus. Today I have grapefruit, navel orange, blood orange, and lime. I'm going to add Koso, extra virgin olive oil, cacao nibs for the bitterness, cayenne pepper for a little bit heat, and mint. You can cut citrus any way you like. Today I'm going to slice those. I cut all the ingredients. You don't have to slice lime unless you want to eat it as well. I'm just gonna use lime juice today. Add Koso and some olive oil. Squeeze lime. Cacao nibs. And cayenne pepper, just a pinch. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to add it. And a mint. Here's this beautiful citrus salad. This is gonna add color to your table. Hope you like the recipe. Let us know what you think in a comment. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.